Welcome to Tech Spotlight. Today I'm going to be showing you two simple ways you can find out exactly what kind of RAM you need. So if you're looking to upgrade your RAM and want to make sure that you're not buying the wrong thing, this video is for you. Let's check it out. So I get it, one of the most confusing things when you're trying to do anything on a laptop or desktop is buying the right hardware to upgrade. So if you go to Amazon and you type in laptop RAM, you're going to be met with a whole bunch of information here. You've got 2 times 16 GBs, you got 3200 MHZs, you got PC4 25600s, you got a whole bunch of different numbers that you're looking at. So how do you actually find out what RAM you need? So one simple thing that you can do, if you push your Windows key and X, it's going to pull up this menu right here, and you can just go to Task Manager. And then once that loads, if you go down to Performance and Memory, you're going to see some information right here. So right here where I'm clicking, where it says speed, it says 2400, and then form factor is so dim. Okay, so if we take that information and we come up to Amazon search bar and I search for laptop RAM so dim 2400 MHZ, then this is going to pull up any RAM that is compatible with my computer, because the speed is going to be the proper speed that mine can run, and the so dim is going to be the correct form factor for my computer, which means that it's going to actually fit into how my laptop is designed for your stick of RAM. So that's one way that you can make sure that you're buying the right kind of RAM. Now the other way that we can check is, my laptop is an AMD, so I have this AMD software right here that's got a performance tab, and right here where I'm clicking where it says system memory, it says 16 gigabytes at 2400 megahertz DDR4 memory. So that one tells me everything but the form factor, which the task manager did, but you still can go in to either one and try to figure that out. So now one little cheat sheet here as well on Crucial's website. If you just want to know the different speeds, they've got this lovely cheat sheet right here that will show you all of the DDR4 memory and exactly what you'd be looking for, like minus 2400, that goes up to 4400, and it will tell you pretty much all the data transfer information. Same for DDR3, DDR2, and DDR, which would be 1 technically. So that's got everything up to DDR5, which is like the latest and greatest right now. But for the most part, we still see quite a few laptops on the market that are DDR4, just like mine. So if you want to upgrade your RAM, these are two simple ways that you can use to make sure that you're getting the right stuff. So I really hope this helped you. Make sure that you're getting the right kind of RAM for your laptop or desktop if you're looking to upgrade. If it did, let me know in the comment section. Hit subscribe if you found this video useful. Let me know if you have any more questions. This was Tech Spotlight, showing you how to find your RAM type. Have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.